people. Good afternoon. Afternoon, and day on a go to go. Well done. Well done. Let's say every afternoon where they go work. I want more to interact. Anything that will wait there for suspense. I want hear from me, the truth teller. Because if I bring the truth, I will be bringing out the proof. And I want anybody that want to challenge me to talk, even though this was 4 years ago. Now this something happened 3 years ago. Make you bring out the proof. It's not by saying I want tag. I just said no. Okbaeka, I see your message. What you do yesterday, my people, this is not saga. I want you people to know that this is not saga. This is how they started bringing people's reputation down, bringing people's work down, insulting people's parents, people's family. They'll go to send a saga. Okay? Because when you go respond to the send a saga, you people should not take this thing saga. If you are not there today, you'll be there tomorrow. Okay? The video where I do yesterday, same message to Lovely. I tell her, say, that year, when they call the true Okbaeka platform, they insult my parents, insult me, and everything. Okbaeka won't talk, I share the video, say, he said they tell me that time, make I not bring people down. My people, I'm not going to follow me this evening. By 9 o'clock, may I call proof now? Show now, not be another talk where to not get proof. The people walk back and say they bring down. Make us back and come confirm to us whether she is G2 not trafficker or not. Okay? Because the people when they bring down that year, I didn't call and meet this and won't bring that down. Say, come on, you be trafficker. Now when our king or our second of king say, end to human trafficking. And I started shouting, said no. When they started to say, who about help? Who Jesus said, no, our king must come to pass. That was where these people gathered. Insulted by enemy. So, Okbaeka, you say genocide, please. I want you, because before I come out this evening, 9 o'clock, me I'll bring the proof where I test support genocide foundation. So you say they bring genocide foundation down that year. Please, I want you. I'll be asking you this question, this video, where you see where for bring genocide down. Okay? I want people that is following me that because everybody is kind of saying, Edumeje is an evil person, Edumeje is an evil person. Forgive and forget. Okay. Nobody is saying that Edumeje should not forgive this girl. But they should not allow Edumeje to have a personal time to heal from that pain that this girl caused on her. Because they were best of friends that year. So when this girl talk anything about Edumeje, people must believe her. That was the pains, the reputation, the work of Edumeje when this Ada Jesus put to stake. Okay? Only God knows what he passed through. When consistent Kidiba. So if I talk say Monica Tuario or any other person that has opened our own platform for people to be calling in, to bring down my reputation, to bring down my work. Not be those people who call in. Not be I could see that make people talk about Lovely yesterday say, Lovely, you remember when they got there? Now Lovely don't put our whole platform now. Tomorrow I will not be talking, I will not be saying back and I open platform for Lovely. Now Lovely open our whole platform now. To see many people call it here. So next time if you want to talk, I will first Lovely, I'm not gonna put Okbaeka. But that year, Okbaeka was the one open a platform for Ifenifie, Princess Babette, and Love and others. But are the ones when they do video that year. Those ones they get their own platform. They're not talking, okay? They're not talking, but they're gonna come call up back a live video, they talk up, they insult my enemy. So Becca, you say you get a proof. Because if you never watch it, they talk from mouth without proof. Only and I make everywhere scatter so. Me, Mama Gladys, when I talk something, and they bring proof. It doesn't when I go court that day, I not bring proof for court. Kisnama put the way drag me go court. If I win me, okay? When they make that judge crown me the queen of truth, I said Kisnama they should get out. He cancelled the case. The case is cancelled. If not be my truth, I can't enter that court that day. I will be sentenced to nothing less than 3 years imprisonment and 5 to 10,000 euro fine to pay. But when I go with proof. Not be on that matter to talk about. So Becca, me I want to prove you wrong. The people who said they bring down that year, those are the human traffickers. Okay? So let us know how me I tell people down. The genocide you they talk up that year. Now make if any fear all of our church together say and they bring genocide foundation and the genocide. I want you people to bring out the proof. We have for 2 feet to come and say make them not support genocide. Make the genocide foundation a fake. Or then this and that. If I not bring them, you say I said they know. Okay? So Becca, I go play. I'm not going to say thank my God. When the sun to just the apple, God go you they give me. It be like honey. You can put honey to my sugar. Facebook share video we I do 2 years ago. Facebook this morning 2014. I see on this one I shock. We I do 2 years ago. Where they proof of Baika. A little boy and one woman. Wait there for Canada. More than for now, call this. Now this channel I go to today. YouTube no way. I go call this channel this evening to shame these people. Baika shame me with one video or one audio. Where they bring genocide down. If not, on that one I be never. Okay, and not just me, I knew you say you see on me, I'm 46 years old, thank God. And I talk my age now, and they feel to talk my age. You die for 70 years old, you die for 80 years old, you two, we don't go share something. My children don't come share from your property. The same thing your children don't come share from my property. We don't get anything where they come and say, who seen your past, I go carry this one. No, you don't go, you don't do like that. So, if you don't bring the proof out, that makes you a liar. You have to bring out the proof, the people. Where don't bring time, you say that they bring people down that year. Now traffickers, now they talk to that year, and I have the proof, people will hear it. And I will repeat it again, to stand for human trafficking will stop, and nature will stop. Remember I hear the video, they where they said Mother and a girl. They were going from different or both or the other to kill themselves. Madam, they can't get a coach to place. Get the kind of madam they coach to place. The guy want that to do with madam they took on her. The madam to see the receive fire. Not be the guy called crowd call me. I go enter the matter. Okay? The madam said must kill this girl. I said, how old are you? He said 24. 24 years old. You want to kill girl? Where you can't come? Our king said, may you might traffic stop. Now the guy say not go pay you again. So you want to snatch your life now, because if this guy die now, at the age of 24, you can't see for hand, blood for hand. Do you ever think of that? Because if the guy cannot pay you now, because human trafficking, our case they not pay. You know, say the next day the guy call me. The next day the guy call me, come talk say, Mama, I think of what you tell me. My life is precious. I'm very young. I'll leave the girl, make the girl go. I said to them, even that 2 lives, I still settle. Now still free that year. It's a plus to me. But back I said they bring people down. If they try to stop, back don't let us go there. Don't let us go there. Okay? So if you know, say you get one video, we are telling people that I bring a matter because this evening I go to Bele Yakwa. I go to Bele Yakwa. What you have been doing on social media. Not be me going to talk, I'm going to plan. Yeah, make your own come here. Because it's very easy. After destroying all these years, come make your face say, I'm a good person, I need peace. No. When I go here this evening, by 9 o'clock I will be here. Don't miss it. It's not good. Now what I stand for that from day one. Now I stand for. Okay? Now I stand for that from day one. I wanted everybody to come together. Let us help our community. They just said, no. This is what they said no. They said no. Huh? Like Monica to Arena. She don't change now. Man, I forgive her now. Man, I do this. What are you telling me? Why do we have history? Why do we have history? Do you know so many people till today? When you look that video, when they carry our ancestors from Africa as a slave trade, carry enter America, carry them come out as a slave. Do you know say that the hatred when you go get to a neighbor will be white? As one like that in white neighbor, now carry our now go Africa that year, go carry them come. No, it is not that our neighbor that year. But just because say that now whites do them, now make hatred take life today. Okay? Because the video of history is there. Who know hear my mouth? The way when they take fight me that year till today. Don't cause it this woman, he do the chat, he do like Wala. Who said I say, yesterday I love you, today I back. No. It's not yesterday lovely or Sunday was a Monica, today I not back. No. I'm going to prove me if I come and they carry my truth they follow body. With proof, with videos. Okay? So as I want to bring the video today of Baika, try and bring out your own. I don't think you come in, you say hey, mama classes, you don't come, I don't think you come in mama class. Wow. No, if I don't insult you once, if I don't insult you once, you don't let me say insult you once, you don't bring yourself down. No, you know how to go high yourself, rich. You want to become president tomorrow. It is difficult to bring that, except say that person, you know, asks me to some extent. You know, they want you rich. You cannot, never. You can forgive, but you cannot forget. If you see something where near them, if you see something where near them, you go remember your waiting do you. Okay? So I'm coming at this evening by 9 o'clock. Oh, they put that the shame don't cash now. The shame don't cash now. Where? You see una don't think I say I go tell me I tell so. Una don't find everywhere, pass here. Oh, don't you move on for Becca to say, really this woman. I just saw to say, I open channel, I open video. My platform for people to be insulting your mother. She come and say, I first insult her mother. Can you swear? Oh, Becca, you say you there for village that they do juju. Or juju there for village. Go and carry that juju and swear. Say, give me Gladys, that first insult your mother. Because I want you to believe on, not tell they fight you now. Okay? Oh, Becca, go in your village crime now. Carry that juju come and say, let me Gladys. Now if I insult your mother, then before you can insult my mother, you control for life, I go say amen on it. Okay? Or video day, when me I tell bring genocide down, or anybody that will not come after me, as they report to me say, my mother no want free me. Is that the people tell me I bring? My dad no want free him. I call her say, okay, see this girl. Our king don't put end to the human trafficking. You go free the girl. You don't free him. How can I come up for social media? Madam, I can't see me the free this. I mean the free una guess. The guy they cry say you don't leave her. He say you don't go leave her. I go come and talk him. Now be the people where I can't come from now. Huh? Now the people where I can't come down, where they bring down. So back up, please. So me, I get many videos so me I'll bring out today. When you tell insult me, when I not go after you, I beg, bring one come out or swear juju for where you dey. Now you have the opportunity. Say yes, you see the video. Where for bring genocide down. I hate genocide and the jealous sound. I'm not gonna bring the video where they support genocide. Even that day when they was insulting me on a biker live video, genocide even calling, who be Gladys? Now say wow. Who be Gladys? Now say wow. I'm the one that published, advertised genocide that year when he was coming to Europe. I still have that video there. Okay? I still have the video. I will play everything this evening. So if you want to contradict me, as you talk and not talk and say, I don't want to go back. No. You must go back and bring the proof. And if you feel bring out the proof, say, look, see this video or how to wait such a cycle. Let me go see come and say, okay, I'm sorry. Because of that way they sought me. Maybe if I feel still defend myself, say, see the reason, you know. But if you know there at all, no. Then I said I go listen to the video today. When I follow me 9 o'clock. Okay, when I follow me 9 o'clock. When I come here, don't be my mouth I tell talk. Now this bush lion, I even talk that here. Okay? Now bush lion. When this is the person when the people when she carry follow body. Okay? That the people when she carry follow body, they come fight me. Bush I never talk to me. If you don't talk to me, I never know. But just to say that year, even when this guy said, even this the secret of Adesuwa, I know when the phone of God so that person won't talk everything that year now. Oh no, yeah, now Facebook they send that to me now. Okay? Not be me talking. That's what I say. That's what I told her. Say, what did they do for social media? Effort. So when you continue to the shout with all your power, with all your voice, to refuse that level to put for your head. Because tomorrow is coming back. 30,000, 50,000, 1 million people, they can watch that video and tell lie on you. 1,000 or 10,000 people. Now you say, the person can say I lie you. What of the remaining 990,000 people will watch them? Who will go tell themselves be innocent? Now be the problem where to measure girl with this girl now and that Jesus. He said first do the first video. He called us and went into you. In a which you I don't see. You come in church, I don't know what happened. I'll still play the video this evening. But this inconsequent, maybe this guy don't forget about him. Okay? So yeah, you don't forget about it. We are not talking about that you see where you people are getting it wrong. You are asking us what you come your bike at home. Yesterday, I make a reference say, lovely, leave me alone. Monica is not my parents. Not be my parents, our home parents. Till January year 2021. Okay? You know if you tell me that say you won't come fight for Monica. Because you do the same thing. That year, for Okpaka live video, when they call Okpaka live video, they sought me too. You will remain a cheerleader. When they fight for people, who come out with the same motive like you, but you don't feel grow, you don't feel go forward, you can't become a cheerleader. That is true. But me, no. But for me not to become a cheerleader, to become a leader of my own, when they are lying against me, I will bring out my proof. That is what they say. This one to the chatter. If this one can matter, he won't prove himself right. I go make sure say I talk. Make you enter people here. Because when they were doing that video to bring the law against my enemy, the people were seeing that year. I don't know how long I go even talk about the even here. When is the Mabudi? When can me go court? Thousand Now because of foundation money, and the embezzle foundation money, now they carry me, they go court for. People believe him. People believe him. Now they go to say, my enemy, a foundation, donate, when you go collect money, I don't go bring her out. Really? Havata. The other one because he come at FI. He said, because his stomach would say, don't go fuck my enemy again. Now make my enemy, they fight him. You don't fuck my enemy. The second time say, don't go fuck again. Now make people they come out and shout and insult the man. Really? That's okay. When we reach court, a lawyer, the judge, they ask him, you don't even fuck this woman. He look the lawyer, say don't talk like that, oh. But see the person where you send, see the person where you send now. He said that you tell her, say don't fuck her. One second time, you say you don't do again. This woman don't really embezzle money. No, okay, what to make you kind of come? He they cast me for live video. He say I be gay. He say I do blue film. The person which he even can come as a testimony come the court. That one talk said that he tell me I don't follow them. And they concentrate nobody say fabulous. The person said that she even tell me say yes, said the man do blue film because the Mobude. She do blue film. Now she tell me, okay. So now that one. Why you not tell people say that the blue film when this woman talk say you do? When your own person tell them. Because as you say me they insult my enemy for social media, say my enemy now. And they embezzle foundation money. Because as make you fuck my enemy, you say no go fuck again. Now it cause problem. Why you not tell them say that blue film you do? When the woman talk come out, now some judge can't ask her. You can't look just like this bro. Now make judge cancel the case. Cancel them. I was not content for 1 minute or to pay a fine of 1 cent. Because that is life for you. But all these years, people believe this man say, maybe had they to kind of go cut the foundation money where it hits, when he embezzle. You see him? Huh? Do you know, sir, before this thing happened 4 years ago? Do you know all these years? Do you know the pains that was on me? Huh? That was on me. When people go lie against you, back and they come and tell the doctor say, for the doctor say, this is the Mabude. Because these are the people that was telling him, telling them that year. Because Christopher Mabude say, what can Julie almost said that Julie Samede Piquet come abroad. Now she fight Christopher Mabude. Anybody who want to foundation, that's why she fight people who want to foundation. Really? Yes, that's what you are welcome. Really? But Christopher Mabude will tell us anyone can Julie, let Julie Piquet come. You know, can it in with a bracket family. The video is there. But it doesn't make people donate. They want to take a carry Julie Piquet come. They don't bring Julie Piquet come till today. Okay? They don't bring Julie Piquet come till today. And all the documents and everything to bring Julie Piquet come, it's in their hands. They do not do it. Even let Julie bury her. Christopher Mabude was not there. Okay? And if you don't understand this topic, you don't understand that, follow me this evening. By 9 o'clock, I will bring out the proof. Because I jump on now, and they pick out different points. If you don't understand, I go watch out from the starting. So if you want to understand that from the starting, follow me this evening, and you will understand it. I'll bring out the point of which the preview of which I want to talk this evening. So, Becca, I hug you to bring one video. All the videos na Facebook, then they resend that back to me. I never delete any of my video. One video I never delete them. It's still there. Go there, go to that video and bring out. Go to my wall and bring one video where I just said genocide. Man, I'm not for genocide. Genocide foundation is fake. Is this? Go and bring it out. If you're not there, what would make me and you to have peace? You do for your village now. carry the juju come out. Say, na me. Now I first curse your mother. Now me. Now I first come fight you. Then I go rest. Now what you believe on, let me tell you so. Okay? Now I believe. Now what do you believe on, let me tell you so. So please do that so that peace go reign. Because you don't want to say the truth. To accept why you were fighting me that year. I will bring out all the proof this evening. Come on. Say the truth and the truth will set you free. The truth can set me free from Italian court. 5 years in Taiwan, 3 to 5 years imprisonment. Or 5 to 10,000 fines to pay. But now my truth, where still stand for Kidigba. Now go sit take on expose your bike this evening. Okay? If you get anything to expose now, quickly talk am. If you believe now, next time now they insult my enemy, for these people where I nominate, Princess Babette, Lovely, if you're I'm not going to put your name say that your platform, they for come insult my enemy. I will come out you, but just prove me. Just prove me wrong. Okay, she the carry car go work. Yes, I love. So just prove me wrong. Okay, now she the driver, being a person, the driver. So just talk and once and for us. Say, look, now me you let's see the proof. I bring genocide down. I bring this one down. Yeah, well, okay. I go because we look away from here. Just have your mate. She tried not to drive so. So my people, I don't wish work. Let me go and do my job. By 9 o'clock, Mama, now you the drive the car. No, not be me. Not be me. I said no drive the car. You want to see my driving license? I don't know that the other day. See my driving license. 1998. Okay. Now I got my driving license. Maybe some of you are still there for. Maybe they never even still born some of you now. The one where they don't born. Maybe you are still there for about years. Igbiyo called the salad banana. Sam. My first patent was 1998. This is the second time. Every 10 years. Now we tell they renew our driving license. Okay? This is the second time of me renew it. The last time we are renewing now was the last time they renew now was 5th of September 2018. Okay? We are covering. See, the second renew. See, 5th of September 2018. We are now 2021 now. On the 5th of June, will be 23 years. Okay, thank you, Sister Patricia, you too. Okay, we'll be 23 years. I've been driving. So, I'm going to carry go. Wish way to others so that good thing will still meet you. One not gather they bring person down. Because they will never get that thing. And when I started this foundation that year, okay, we are 44. Okay, thank you, sister, 48 years old. You wish you should senior me. I celebrate 46 years old the other day. You don't talk to that, so you say, now 46 years ago. No, the boy I married. Now truth they talk. We know they had years. Even now we be black when they had to now yes. Now wait till the boy ask me now how many years did I marry age I go talk. So when I see on social media, now marry age now go talk. Because I want to do cake that day now. I cause me the woman put 54 years, 56 years, or 24 years. No. I do my this thing, I celebrate them. Okay. I shall see you guys.